Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be unpacking my Amazon products. So this is like $300 worth of Amazon products. So if you guys want to go see this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. I don't know exactly what's in each package, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open them, let you guys see what I got. So, okay, so I got some masks, and all the links are going to be down below of the products that I have. This is a pendant. I'm gonna just open them and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got. And then these are two bras. Just put this down. So this is a mask. So this is a disposable protective mask. You have 50 that comes in it. It was only $8. Let me just open it for you so you guys can see. And then this one is black. I got black. I normally got blue, but I got black because I wear black scrub mostly, and I just wanted to blend in with my scrub instead of the blue. And this was just, I think it was just $8 or $6 for the 50, but the link will be in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and get them if you want the products that I have in this video. Then right here, this is a stainless steel Jamaican pendant. So let me just open it so you guys can see. It is closed. Let me see, hold on. Hold on. This odd to open. So there you go. Ooh, it comes with a chain also. This is nice. This is nice. So this is how it looks. Ooh, I like it. Let me try it on. Let me try it on and see. Oop. These fingernails. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is so... let me go ahead and close it. I like it. But I just wanted the pendant. I didn't know that it actually came with that chain also. And I believe this was like, I don't know, it was cheap too. That's why I got it. Yeah, I got it because I have a gold chain, like a real gold chain, but I don't have a pendant. And then I was like, oh, a Jamaican pendant will look so good. So there you go. So this is how it looks. Right here. And I like the little details right here. Okay. And then I got these bras. These, I love these bras because they're very you know, when you have like a little like fuller boobs or bigger boobs, you don't want to get those bras that have too much cushion in it to make your boobs look even bigger. So I normally get these bras. So if you guys want to get them, this is from Olga. So Olga by Warners. So Olga by Warners, and this is, yeah, it's very supportive, and they last long. It washes like very good in the machine and stuff like that. And I got this one. So right now I have one on. It's very supportive. It's just like you don't have anything on basically. um then you see I have the white one. Now I have this, the black and the brown, and I have a brown one on. So yeah, so that's that. So now let's just open this one and see what's in this packet. So we're doing this. Oh, some banana clips. I remember when I was in Jamaica, I used to wear a lot of banana clips when I was going to high school and stuff. When I used to wear my natural hair out, so that's why I bought them, because I saw it and I was like, oh, maybe this was it nice. So yeah, here's some banana clips. Put this back, and this was cheap too. I believe it was like maybe, I don't know, like $5 or something. It was very cheap. Okay, I'll put the trash down. Yeah, I'll pick them up after. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys this one. And I'm gonna leave like a little disc, like the screenshot of the things that I got at the side, so you guys, maybe I'll do that, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, so you guys can see like how it looks on Amazon. Oh, I saw this and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. Let me show you. So it says, nope, not today. So yeah, got that. And this was like a pants, like a shorts thingy for it, a tight basically. Something like that. This. Oh yeah, some Jamaican seasoning, because I told you guys we're in Louisiana and you can't really find Jamaican stuff that much, and when you do find it, it's really expensive. So yeah, so this is like some oxtail seasoning. Yeah, and this was cheap too. I think it, yeah, it's Grace oxtail seasoning. I think it was like, I don't know, maybe like $10. And so yeah, let me show you. And then for the final product, so guess what's in this one? Who can tell me what's in this one? Like seriously, who can tell me what's in this one? Let me see. I'm gonna just open it. Did y'all miss me? Like, did y'all miss me? I was still posting, but I wasn't posting like on my schedules and stuff. But I still see my subscriber count been growing. So hi to my new followers. Welcome to my channel. And to my oldies that have been still supporting me, welcome, welcome, welcome back. All right, let me see. Oh, these are the same thing, the bra thing. Okay, and then this is a hair from Ali Diddy. Yeah, Ali Diddy. These Amazon Chinese company hair store. I don't know how they find the name of their hair. And then this is some kiss color. So I'm gonna try to do, because Jamaican Independence is coming up soon, so I'm trying to basically like create a Jamaican color wig. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm waiting for the black and the yellow one to come in, or the yellow one to come in. So yeah, the color. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys the wig, or maybe I should just do an unbox, like what do you call it. I'll just show you guys a little bit of the wig. And this wig was kind of cheap too. I'll show you a little bit of the wig, but not too much, because I want to do like a full review of the wig and things. So basically this is the wig there and stuff. But yeah, let me not show you too much. So that's everything I got. Very practical things that I'm gonna be using and stuff. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe if you guys are not subscribed, and also leave a comment down below, because I like to engage with my followers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.